Class 9th NCERT Math exercise 10. This is the explanation of circle. What is circle? Circle is a collection of all the points in a plane which are at the fixed distance from a fixed point in a plane is called a circle. Circle, this is a circle. This is a circle and this is the center of the circle. The distance, it is the collection of all the points. It is the collection of all the points in a plane. This is our plane, and circle is a collection of all the points in a plane which are at a fixed distance. The distance, suppose we are talking about this point. The distance between this point and this point is fixed. This point and this point is fixed. This point and this point is fixed. So it is the collection of all the points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from the fixed point. Fixed point, that is talking about the center of the circle. It is a circle. Okay, so we can say this is the fixed distance, this is also the fixed distance, this is also the fixed distance, this is also the fixed distance, and this fixed distance is called as radius of the circle and it is indicated as r. And the distance between the 2 points on a circle which is passed through the center, this is the distance between the 2 points on the circle which pass through the center is called the diameter. This is A and B is a diameter. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. This point, center point, is called as O. The diameter is the longest chord of the circle. The definition is the collection of all the points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point in a plane is called a circle. Okay, and the fixed point is called the center of the circle, and fixed distance is called the radius of the circle. In figure, O is the center of the circle and length OA, OB are the radius of the circle. It is indicated by r. In another way, the radius is also defined as the line segment. The line segment joining the center and any point on the circle. The line segment joining the center and any point on the circle is called the radius. Suppose OA, OB, if we put here P, Q, OP, OQ, all are the radius of the circle. So we can say that the line segment joining the center and the any point on the circle is called the radius of the circle. Any point, it means it may be that this point, any of the point. In a circle, there are infinite number of radius we can draw, and also we can draw infinite number of diameter. Okay, radius, the line segment joining the center and any points on the circle is called the radius of the circle. In this figure, OA, OB, OP, OQ, OA, OB, OP, OQ, all are the radius of the circle. OA, OB, OP, OQ, or we can draw any other line. This line also is the radius of the circle. Now, the circle divides the plane on which it lies into 3 parts. सर्किल क्या करता है, प्लान को तीन पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करता है. वो 3 पार्ट्स कौन कौन सा है? इनसाइड द सर्किल और इंटीरियर ऑफ द सर्किल एंड आउटसाइड ऑफ द सर्किल. The circle divides the plane on which it lies into 3 parts. सर्किल क्या करता है? 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे, दिस इज द सर्किल, दिस इज द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्किल, radius of the circle, this is indicated as O, center of the circle, and O OA is the radius of the circle. Interior of the circle, this part is the interior of the circle. All the points that lies inside the circle are the interior of the circle. And on the circle, the points lies on the circumference of the circle. This is also called as the circumference. Boundary line of the circle is called as the circumference of the circle. इस घेरे को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? circumference of the circle. जितना भी पॉइंट इस सर्किल पे है इसको हम लोग क्या कहेंगे? पॉइंट लाइज ऑन द सर्किल. और जो अंदर में पॉइंट लाई कर रहा है उसको बोलेंगे इनसाइड द सर्किल और इंटीरियर ऑफ द सर्किल. और जो पॉइंट बाहर में लाई कर रहा है, सपोज दिस पॉइंट, ऑल दीज पॉइंट्स आर द एक्सटीरियर पॉइंट ऑफ द सर्किल. सपोज P, Q, R, S, T, U. All these points are on the exterior of the circle. And point A, point B lies on the circle. Point C lies on the circle. And interior of the circle, suppose Z, W, X, Y. All these are the points lies inside the circle. Which points lies inside the circle? Z, W, Y, X lies inside or interior of the circle. Point A, C, B lies on the circle. And point P, Q, R, S, T, U lies outside the circle. We can say it is also exterior of the circle. Inside the circle or interior of the circle. Which points are on the interior of the circle? Z, W, X, Y. All are the interior of the circle. And on the circle, point A, point C, point B lies on the circle. And outside the circle, point P, Q, R, S, T, U. All these points are lies outside the circle. Now the circle and its interior make up the circular region. The points lies on the circle and its interior make up the interior of the circle, make the circular region. The circle and its interior make up the circular region, So we can write here, the circle and its interior make up the circular region. The circle and its interior make up the circular region. Now the line segment joining the two different points on a circle, is called its chord. Suppose this is a circle. This is circle and this is the center of the circle indicated as O. And what is the chord? The line segment joining the two different points. Suppose this is a single point A and this is another point B. The line segment joining the two different points on a circle is called its chord. यदि हम लोग इसको यहाँ से ऐसे ज्वाइन कर देते हैं तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? हमारा कोड हो जाएगा. ये भी हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? कोड हो जाएगा. C, D. Also it is a chord. This is also chord. But the line segment joining the two different points and passes through the center of the circle. This is the longest chord of the circle. Suppose this is P and Q. This is point P and this is point Q. The line segment passes through the center of the circle is the longest chord of the circle, or we can say that the diameter, this is the diameter is equal to 2r. It means r plus r is equal to 2r. We can say the diameter is the longest chord of the circle. line segment joining the two different points on a circle is called chord, and the chord which passes through the center of the circle is called diameter of the circle. Diameter of the circle. Diameter, we can write diameter D. This is the diameter. This is the R. OP is equal to single R. OQ is equal to another R. So we can say D is equal to R plus R, or it is equal to R plus R is equal to 2R. So we can say that diameter is equal to twice of R. जितना डायमीटर का लेंथ क्या होगा, रेडियस का जस्ट डबल. रेडियस का जस्ट डबल इज इक्वल टू द डायमीटर. और a piece of circle. Now a piece of circle between 2 points is called an arc. This is an arc AB. This, the part of the circle or the piece of the circle is called an arc. We can say AB, not this line. Arc AB is a arc. If suppose this is the circle and this is the point A and this is point B. AB divides the circle into two arcs. AB is the minor arc. Minor means chota. AB is the minor arc, and suppose ACB is a major arc. ACB is a major arc and AB is a minor arc. What is the arc? The piece of circle between 2 points is called an arc. The piece of circle between the 2 points is called arc. And when P and if this A and B are the ends of the diameter, this is the diameter and this is the center of the circle. Diameter always pass through the center of the circle A, B. If both the points A and B are ends of the diameter, then both the arc are equal and each is called as the semicircle. This is also the semicircle and this is also the semicircle. Why? Because point A and B are the ends of the diameter, any diameter of the circle. Then we can say that both the arc are the semicircle. A piece of circle between 2 points are called an arc. And another point, when A and B are ends of the diameter, then both the arc are equal. Then both the arc are equal. Both the arc are equal and each is called a semicircle, and each, when A and B are the ends of the diameter, then both the arc are equal and each is called the semicircle. This is the semicircle because A and B are the ends of the diameter. This is also the semicircle. Semi means आधा. Semi means आधा, circle का आधा. That is called as the semicircle. Next one, the length of the complete arc is called the circumference. What is the circumference? Length of the complete arc. It means the 360-degree is called the what is circumference? The length of complete arc are called circumference. The length of complete arc are called the circumference. Now the region between the chord and either of its arc is called segment of the circle. What is the segment of the circle? This is the circle. This is the circle. The region between the chord and this is the, suppose this is a chord. This is A and B. This is chord. The region between the chord and either of its arc is called the segment of the circle. This is the region between the chord and the arc of the circle is called the segment. This is the minor segment and this one is the major segment. This is major segment. We can say this is major segment and this is minor segment. What is the segment? The region between the chord, and either of its arc. There are two arcs, either of this arc or this arc. The region between the chord and the arc is called the segment. दिस इज द माइनर सेगमेंट बिकॉज ये क्या है, छोटा है, इसलिए इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं माइनर सेगमेंट. माइनर मीन्स छोटा, मेजर मीन्स बड़ा. सो दिस इज द मेजर सेगमेंट. The region between the chord and either of its arc is called the segment of the circle. The region between the chord, this is the chord, and arc, there are two arc. AB is the minor arc and AB is the major arc. So the region between the chord and the arc, either of the arc, is called the segment. This is the minor segment and this is major segment. Now what is sector? This is suppose circle, this is circle, and the region between an arc, region, suppose we are talking about this arc, this is A and B, this is the arc. The region between the arc and 2 radii, joining the center to the end points of the arc, A and B are the end points of this arc. Joining the center to the end points of the arc is called the sector. This region is called as the sector. This is sector, and we indicate center as O. OAB. OAB is a sector. This is the minor sector and this is major sector. Major sector. And this is minor sector. This is minor sector. The region between an arc and the 2 radii. The region between an arc, AB is the arc, and 2 radii OA and OB are the 2 radii joining the center to the ends point. This is A and B are the endpoints of the arc, is called the sector. This is the minor sector because it is on the minor arc, so it is the minor sector. And this is the major arc because it is on the major arc. So this much for the explanation for the circle. आप लोगों से ये रिक्वेस्ट है, इस चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, अपने दोस्तों के बीच शेयर करें. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.